everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. I got a lot of queries about the designs I'm showing in my video, like which fabric I used in the kurtis, how you all can purchase it or how you can stitch it, etc. So that's why I decided to solve all your queries. Today in this video, I will try to give each and every detail possible about the kurtis I'm showing you here. So let's get started with some stylish kurtis which are very much trending nowadays. It's a floral print front slit kurti with buttons. It's a block printed fabric. You can purchase it from Amazon. I already shared the link in the description box of the video. The main focus of these kind of kurtis are the contrast color booty or the fabric buttons which you can see in the front part of the neck design. Now another thing is you can wear it with jeggings or jeans, whichever you like. Now let's come to the stitching part. If you are planning to stitch it on your own, then let me tell you that it's very simple to make, as you don't need to add any kind of lining in it, as the fabric is itself very thick but also very good for summers as it's cotton. Its price range is around 500 to 1000 rupees per meter. I know it's a bit costly, but this just because it's a hand block printed jaipuri fabric and you'll need around 2 to 3 meters of fabric to make kurtis like this. Next, if you are planning to purchase ready-made kurtis, then also it's available at Amazon and its price range is from 500 to 900 rupees per piece. I shared the link in the description box as well. I have shown you few varieties, but these are a lot of colors you can try from local market as well. So what are you waiting for? Just quickly add it to your wardrobe. See you soon.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.